Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining how you can install the Google Analytics software on your WordPress website. To install the Google Analytics software on your WordPress website, you go over to analytics.google.com, this URL. Then when you get here, you're presented with this layout set up for free. Now, just for note, I'm using an empty email just for this, so you get this layout. If you have already activated your email previously, you wouldn't get this layout, and I would also show you how to do that in that case. So click on this setup for free. Then you'll be asked to enter an account name, so I'm just going to enter tutorial here, tutorial. Then when you scroll down, you can leave all these things checked, doesn't really matter. Then click on next. At this point, they'll ask you what do you want to measure for. So you can measure for web, for app and web. Basically, we're measuring for WordPress website, and that falls under the web category. So you leave that checked and you click on next. Then you enter your website name. So in our case, 360 NGE. Over here, you enter your website URL. So I'm going to grab this from here, and I'm going to paste it over here. Now note, I'm selecting HTTPS, not HTTP. If your WordPress blog is on HTTP, then you select this. If it's on HTTPS, you select this. After that, you're supposed to select your industry category. So I'm going to select one, and I'm going to go ahead and select arts and entertainment, and I'll leave my time zone like this, and I'll click on create. Then you go through this terms and conditions. If it's okay with you, you accept. You also do the same here, you accept. Then you click I accept. So after you do this, you wait for a while for the page to load. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully created profile for our WordPress website on Google Analytics. Something to note though, Google Analytics will not be able to track your website until you have this script over here, your global site tag, embedded in the head tag of your WordPress website. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to copy this, and I'll go back to my dashboard. I'll go to appearance, I'll go to theme editor, click on this, and over here we're going to scroll down and look for header.php. So you click on this, and after this head tag here, this head tag up here, you just give a little bit of space and you paste in your code. Now this is one way of doing things. You can just click update file, but I don't recommend this because you might change your theme with time. So instead of using this method, I suggest using the plugin. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the plugin. So you go to plugins, go to add new over here. You can leave this page, add new. Okay, this method is basically the same with the other one, but difference is if you're using the plugin and you change your theme, then you wouldn't have an issue. So we're going to go ahead and search for the plugin over here. So the plugin is head and footer script. So we'll let this search for a while, and you're going to go down and you're going to activate this one, header and footer script. So I already have this activated. So after you activate this, you go over to your settings, then you go over to header and footer script option over here. So you click on this. Then after clicking on this, this is where you would paste in that same code we got from here. After you paste it in, then you click on save settings, and that's about it. Once that's saved, you have Google Analytics installed on your website. Do note it will take about 48 hours before Google is able to collect enough data for your website. So if we go over to the home, in the dashboard here, you're going to see that basically everything is empty. So 0 active users, no stats at all. Now, if you already have a website added in your Google Analytics and you would like to add a new website, what you do is you go from this layout, because this is the default layout for someone that already has a website. From here, you go down to the admin option here. You click on this. So when you click on this, it takes you to this settings part. So if you want to create another one, like another property for your for your Google Analytics account, you click on this, and it gives you the same setup that we got in that first part of the video. So you click on continue, add your website name, and repeat the whole process. So it's essentially the same thing. So I would recommend you use this plugin again instead of using the WordPress theme header, because you can always change your theme and you'd lose this code when you change your theme. So that's about wraps it up, and I'll see you in the next video.